Welcome to 21st Century Health. I'm Jackie Bales. Senior housing communities are in need of technology that improves the safety of their residents and increases awareness of certain events and activities. Mike McLeod, co-founder of Status Solutions, is here to discuss their innovative solutions. Welcome, Mike.
Thank you, Jackie.
First off, Mike, what's the biggest challenge that faces continuing care retirement communities today?
Well, Jackie, with the current economic conditions, the biggest challenge they face is changing their business model, which also then would involve having the technology that allows them to change that business model.
Okay, so who is Status Solutions and how are you helping them address this challenge?
Well, Status Solutions is a technology provider that provides a capability that we call situational awareness. And we provide technology that allows this business model that they've currently used for years to be extended beyond their own brick and mortar.
All right, for more, let's go to this 21st Century Health Field Report.
Senior housing communities are challenged with providing a safe, secure, and active environment for residents, while also maintaining overall staff efficiency and effectiveness. The Situational Awareness and Response Assistant, or SARA, is an enabling technology that can improve the safety of senior housing communities by increasing awareness.
The system has been strengthened us as an organization, and the most important thing, we think even more so than competition or having a competitive edge, it helps us provide a better sense of security for our residents, which therefore provides a better sense of security for their loved ones who know that their residents or their folks are living here.
SARA is an automated alerting system which, through a simple-to-use text-to-voice engine, can send voice and text alerts to in-building pagers, email, and telephones, as well as to cell phones, home phones, and external email.
Our staff efficiency has been greatly improved because we have immediate response to the pendant alarms and the pool station alarms. We have immediate response to the call bells in our nursing unit. And also, the great thing about this, we're able to check and verify response times.
So no matter what level of care somebody moves into, it helps provide that peace of mind knowing that when someone needs help or needs assistance, they can push that button and someone will be there to respond and help in a time of need.
SARA's automated voice reminders enable more efficient communication to residents and staff members. For 21st Century Health, I'm Corey Brand reporting.
All right, Mike, first question, what is situational awareness?
Well, Jackie, situational awareness is the ability for the right people to see, read, and hear about critical events right now, because right now matters most.
Absolutely, especially in this type of community. So what's the benefit of your solution to the healthcare industry as a whole?
Well, as you know, life safety demands that you know what's going on immediately. So SARA is an engine, it's an alert server engine that allows you to either be told by SARA what's going on, to read about what's going on, to know exactly what events need attention at that moment.
So SARA, although she sounds like a person, SARA is a way of communicating, really. Is that the tiniest nutshell it can be in?
Yes, the easiest way to look at SARA is as a robot, as an engine who can tell you what's going on in the facility as it pertains to real-time events, whether they're life safety related, whether they're security related, whether they're environmentally related.
Okay, well give me some examples as to exactly what SARA can do to improve an existing retirement community.
Well, in a retirement community, you have a lot of different types of residents doing different types of activities. If you want to keep a tab on those residents and make sure that they're safe, that they're not wandering off into areas they shouldn't be, if they need to process a help request, if they need to be told to take a medicine or get them more involved in an activity to stimulate their involvement. There's a direct correlation between activity and health.
Is speed of communicating this information really the key here?
Yeah, right now matters most.
Okay. What makes SARA unique in the technology marketplace?
Well, the benefit of SARA is primarily that it's evolutionary and it's organic. So there are a lot of systems, disparate systems that are already in place.
Okay.
SARA unifies those systems, both from the alarm systems as well as the communication systems, be it telecommunications, be it data systems, and gives you one control mechanism to create those awareness transactions.
Can you give us an example of how Sarah has been used to help improve a community?
Yeah, there's a concept in senior housing right now called greenhouse, where they want to get away from institutional look and feel.
Right.
It's a more home-like environment, unobtrusive technology, wireless technology. But the caregivers still need to know what's going on without the buzzers and the lights. Like I like to say, we don't add whistles and bells, we replace them.
I like it. So what's the most important message that you would like viewers to take away from our conversation?
Well, the most important message is right now, as we're sitting here, Sarah servers are out there saving lives, keeping people active, and helping communities drive occupancy.
Terrific. So it sounds like many of us could do well to meet Sarah.
Oh, absolutely, and she's waiting to meet you.
Well, unfortunately, we have to conclude our discussion because we are out of time. But Mike, thank you so much for sharing your time with us and for introducing us to Sarah.
Well, thank you, Jackie. I appreciate that.
And thank you for watching. Until next time for 21st Century Health, I'm Jackie Bales.